Hello sir, thanks for your time today for this video. For the benefit of our audience, I would request you to briefly introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is SAAZ RAI. I have more than 2 decades of experience in the industry. I have been involved in training for over a decade now, and I'm an authorized instructor for ISACA and IC Square courses.
That's wonderful sir. I would like to know how long you have been associated with InfosecTrain.
I have been associated with InfosecTrain for the last 4 years.
Yeah, it's been quite a while. How has been your experience working with us?
Well, InfosecTrain is a very reputed company. It has grown massively in the last few years. Everyone is very professional and there are no false commitments. And the best thing I like is the fact that the payments are always on time.
What are the few unique things that you have seen with InfosecTrain?
InfosecTrain organizes trainings which are flexible and the duration of each course is aptly managed to make sure the trainer gets ample time to complete full syllabus and additional topics if any. Also, the batch size is always maintained optimally. This ensures that as a trainer, I'm able to give individual attention to students. Thank you.